Nokia has been considered one of the trusted companies among the people for many years. After a long wait, Nokia is now going to enter the market. If you too have been waiting for a great smartphone from Nokia for a long time, which is very cheap in price, but has excellent features, then today we have brought one such great smartphone for you. The name of this great smartphone is Nokia Magic Max 5G. In this great smartphone, you will get a big battery of 7500 mAh, with a 200 megapixel DSLR camera. In today's video, we will give information about the full-licked features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's start. Features of Nokia Magic Max 5G. In Nokia Magic Max smartphone, you will get a 6.95-inch, Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with 144 Hz refresh rate, and 1440 x 3200 pixel resolution. Apart from this, you will also get to see Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP69 rating. Camera setup. Talking about the camera of the phone, a triple rear camera setup will be seen in it, whose primary camera is going to be 200 megapixels. Apart from this phone will have 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 32 megapixel depth sensor. And if we talk about selfie camera, you will be given a 50 megapixel front camera. Operating system. The processor of this great smartphone is going to be even more powerful. You are going to get Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite chipset in this smartphone. And if we talk about the operating system, you have been given Android 15 in it. Battery backup. You are going to get a 7500 mAh large battery in this smartphone, which comes with 125 watt fast charging support. Apart from this, you will get to see Type-C version 2 charging socket in it. Price or launch date. Lastly, if we talk about the price, no official information has been received about it till now. But according to leaks, its price can be around $850. And talking about the launch date, it can be introduced next year.